Hi students, very good morning to all. All are fine? I hope you are fine. Last class what we discussed? We discussed about components of food. Yes, from the component, first class we discussed about carbohydrates, fats and proteins. Yep, last class we discussed about vitamins and minerals. Okay, first I will recap after I start today's questions. Okay, vitamins. Yes, why we need vitamins? Vitamins are needed for proper growth, functioning of our body. Yes, vitamins are needed for proper functioning of our body. Yes, what are the types of vitamins? What are the types of vitamins we discussed in last class? What are the types of vitamins? Fat soluble and water soluble vitamins. Yeah, fats. What are the examples of fat soluble vitamins? Vitamin A, D, E and K. Okay, what are the examples of water soluble vitamins? Vitamin B1, B2, B3, B6, B12, folic acid and vitamin C. Totally we say B complex and vitamin C are the category of water soluble vitamins. From these two, which vitamins store under the fat tissue? Okay, store which vitamins store in the fat tissue of our body? Which vitamin? Fat soluble vitamins store in the fat tissue of the body. Okay, are you clear? Then next, what? Minerals. Okay. What are the types of minerals we discussed in last class? What are the types of minerals? Macro minerals and trace minerals. Okay. What is macro minerals? Macro minerals are needed by our body in large amount. Okay. Macro minerals are needed by our body in large amount. Compared to trace minerals, need more amount of macronutrients. Okay. What are the examples of macronutrients? Calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium. Okay. Trace minerals. Okay. These are needed by the body in very small amount. Compared to macronutrients, small amount of trace minerals in our body. What are the examples of trace minerals? Calcium, iron, zinc, copper and iodine. Okay, these are the trace minerals. Are you clear? Once again listen. What are the components of? What are the components present in food? What are the types of nutrients present in food? What are the types of nutrients? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, dietary fibers and water. Okay. Already we discussed this five. Once again listen. The carbohydrate provide us to our body energy. Fat provide us energy. Okay. What are the types of carbohydrate present in food? Simple carbohydrate and complex carbohydrate. Simple means sugar, complex starch. Fats, these two carbohydrate fats, this both provide energy to our body. What are the types of fat? Saturated and unsaturated fats. From these two, saturated and unsaturated, which fat is solid and which one is liquid form? The saturated fat is the solid form and the unsaturated fat is liquid form. Then proteins. Okay. We want to build new cell. Building new cells and repairing worn out parts means we need more amount of proteins. Okay. What are the food sources contain protein? Plant food source and animal food source. Both contain proteins. Then vitamins. Yes. For proper functioning of our body, we need more amount of vitamins. Minerals. The formation of teeth, bones and blood cells means we need more amount of minerals. Then today we are going to discuss about dietary fibers and water. Okay, roughage or dietary fibers and water. Dietary fibers always we say roughage. Okay. See, what is called dietary fiber? Listen, what is called dietary fiber? Okay, the portion of the plant food. Okay, the portion of the plant food that remain undigested and do not provide any nutrients to our body but provide bulk to our food is known as dietary fiber or roughage. Okay. The portion of the plant food that remain undigested and they do not provide any nutrients to our body but provide bulk to our food is known as roughage or dietary fiber. So when you see what is called dietary fibers or what is called roughage, the portion of the plant food that remain undigested and do not provide nutrients to our body but provide bulk to our food is known as roughage or dietary fibers. Okay. What is the main function of this roughage or dietary fiber means? It helps in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Does help in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Page of dietary fibers. Okay, dietary fibers help to maintain a healthy digestive system. There are two types of roughage or dietary fibers. Okay, here you see. What are the types of dietary fibers? What are the types of dietary fibers? Soluble fibers and insoluble fibers. What are the types of dietary fiber? Soluble fiber and insoluble fibers. What are the food sources containing soluble fibers? Apple, strawberry, peach and rice. The soluble fibers are soluble in water. Okay, these fibers are soluble in water. The soluble fibers are soluble in water. What are the food sources containing soluble fiber? Apple, strawberry, peach and rice. The next one, insoluble fibers. Okay, insoluble fibers are not soluble in water. What are the food items containing insoluble fibers? Whole grains, carrot, turnip and cauliflower. Okay, these are the food items containing insoluble fibers. Okay, the lack of insoluble fibers in your diet leads to constipation. Okay, the lack of these fibers in the diet causes constipation. Lack of insoluble fibers. Once again listen. What are the types of dietary fibers? Soluble fibers and insoluble fibers. First one, soluble fibers. Soluble fibers are soluble in water. What are the food sources containing soluble fibers? Apple, strawberry, peach and rice. Then insoluble fiber. Insoluble fibers are not soluble in water. What are the food sources containing insoluble fibers? Whole grain means wheat, that items. Okay. Then carrot, turnip and cauliflower. These are the some of the examples of insoluble fibers. Lack of insoluble fibers in the food leads to constipation. Okay. Once again listen. What is called dietary fibers or what is roughage? The portion of the plant food that remain undigested and did not provide any nutrients to our body but provide to the food is known as roughage of dietary fibers. Okay. The roughage help in maintaining healthy digestive system. Okay, this is one of the main function of the dietary fibers. What are the types of dietary fibers? Soluble fibers and insoluble fibers. The soluble fibers are soluble in water. What are the food sources containing soluble fibers? Means apple, strawberry, peach and rice. Then insoluble fibers are not soluble in water. What are the food sources containing insoluble fibers? Whole grain, carrot, turnip and cauliflower. Okay, clear? Then next one, water. Next one what? Water. Okay. Almost 70% of our body weight is water. Yes, without water we can able to live. We can live. Without water we can live? No. Water is one of the necessary in our life. Okay, one of the necessary component in our life. Almost 70% of our body weight is made up of water. Okay. Water is needed by our body for healthy body function. Okay. Healthy body function need more amount of water. How much percentage of our body weight is made up of? 70%. Okay. Almost 70% of our body weight is water. Water is needed by our body for good health. Now we are going to discuss about 4 points. Okay. Water helps to transport substance inside our body. Okay. In our body they want to transport some substances. What we need? Water. Okay. Water helps to transport substance inside our body. The second point, it helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. Yes. If we are taking food, our digestive system convert the starch into glucose. Yes, it is the simplest form of sugar. The blood absorbs the nutrients from food. Yeah. So the water helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. Then it helps to regulate the body temperature. It helps to regulate the body. That helps to regulate the body temperature. Regulate our body temperature. Water. Okay. What is the chemical formula of water? H2O is H2O. Okay, listen. It is water is needed for various chemical reactions. Water is needed for various chemical reactions such as digestion, excretion. Okay, which take place inside of our body. Also, water is needed for several chemical reaction. Okay, the chemical reaction is done inside of our body. What are the process? Digestion and excretion. Listen, almost 70% of our body weight is made up of water. Okay, water is needed by our body for health, good health. Okay, water helps to transport substance inside our body. Does help to transport substance inside our body? Water. Water help to transport substance inside our body. Second one, water helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. Okay. Second is third point. Water helps to regulate body temperature. Fourth one, water is needed from various chemical reactions such as digestion and excretion. This process will be done inside of our body. Next one, where we get water? Where we get water? We get water from borewell, well, pond, river. Okay, these are sources of water. Only that sources contain water. No, some of food items like fruits, vegetables, yes. These are the food items also contain more amount of water. Yes, cucumber contain more amount of water. Yes, cucumber, the other food items like apple, orange, yes, all the fruits and most of the vegetables also contain water. Daily, we need to drink at least 2 or 3 liters of water per day to keep health. If you want to, body want to be healthy, health means we want to drink how much liter of water per day? 2 or 3 liters of water. Okay. One side listen. Today what we discuss? We discuss dietary fibers and water. What is dietary fiber? What is called dietary fiber? The portion of the plant food that remain undigested and do not provide any nutrients to our body but provide bulk. Bulk means a lot. Okay. To our food is known as roughage or dietary fiber. Do not provide any nutrients, yes, but also it maintain good digestive, healthy digestive system. Okay. 2 types of roughages are there: soluble and insoluble. Soluble roughage dietary fibers, dietary food items like apple, strawberry, peach and rice. It will be soluble into the water. Insoluble fibers, the food sources like cauliflower, carrot, turnip. Okay, these are the food items not soluble in water. The lack of these insoluble fibers in our diet leads to constipation. Okay, then water. Water is very important in our body for good health. In our body, 70% of body weight is water. Okay, water helps to transport substance inside our body, and it also helps to absorb nutrients from food. It helps to regulate body temperature. Just last point, it is needed from various chemical reactions such as digestion and excretion, which takes place inside our body. Then what are the sources contain water? Well, these are the sources contain water. Yes, that source only contain water? No, yes, water is also present in fruits and vegetables and animal products. Milk also contain more amount of water. Okay, we need to drink at least how much percentage of water per day? Drink 2 to 3 liters of water per day. Okay, once you take your book, my page number 34. Page number 34. Roman letter 6. Third question. Write a short note on roughage. Write a short note on roughage. Okay, here you see what is roughage. The portion of the portion of page number 27. Answer is in page number 27. The portion of the plant food that remains undigested and do not provide any nutrients to our body but provide bulk to our food is called roughage or dietary fibers. Okay, then you want to cut it. However you want to cut it. Then your roughage helps in maintaining a healthy digestive system. After that, dietary fibers are 2 types: soluble and insoluble. Up to the constipation you want to mark. Okay, Roman letter 4. Third question. Okay, did you mark? Once you listen, once you they have some one words. Listen. Okay, what are the types of dietary fibers? Soluble and insoluble. Underline it. Okay, then dash fibers are soluble in water, soluble fibers. Okay, then listen next. Dash fiber in the diet causes constipation. The lack of dash fibers in the diet causes constipation. Soluble or insoluble fibers? Insoluble fibers. Okay, dash help in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Dietary fibers. Dietary fibers is help in maintaining a healthy system, digestive system. Almost dash percentage of our body weight is water, 70%. Okay, dash help to regulate our body temperature, water. Are you clear, ma? Thank you.